Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing a set of 4 rain guards on my 2024 2500 HD. Kind of what we're going to go over in the video at first is just a basic install of these. If you've installed rain guards before, you know that they're not too difficult to put on, but if you'd like to just make sure you're doing it right, and you can just follow along with the install, and I'll go over how to do that. Next, we'll kind of review the product and see how it looks on the truck. If that's more of what you're concerned about, if you should buy them for your truck or if you shouldn't, how they look once you get them installed. So I'll kind of give a couple good shots of the truck once they get them on. And that way, if you're kind of on the fence about buying them or whatever, then maybe this video might help you decide whether you like them for your truck or not. So before we get into the install, I want to go over a little bit about the rain guards that I ordered. I ordered these from realtrucks.com, and I purchased these with my own money. This is not a sponsored video or anything. When picking these out, I noticed there's a couple different styles you could do. You could do a light or dark. I chose the darker one. I want to say it's kind of almost like a 10% window tint, so it's not completely black, but you can see through it just barely. And these do come in a set of 4. I'm thinking I paid like $69 for all 4 of them, so it wasn't too bad at all as far as the price goes. Plus, I think it gives the vehicle just an overall better look and style with these rain guards on. Kind of excited to get these put on the truck, so if you're here for the install part, we're going to skip to that next. We get these installed, we'll give a bunch of good shots of the truck, and you can kind of judge for yourself, see what you think, see if you want to order you some. So let's go ahead and jump to the install, and we'll get these put on. Alright guys, so when you open your box, you're going to take your rain guards out of the plastic, and you're going to notice these little stickers on them. It says left, right, right, left on the back ones. So the left is going to be your driver's side, and the right ones is going to be your passenger side. With these in-channel rain guards like this, you don't really need any tools to do it. Basically, these have a lip on them, and that lip sets up inside of your window channel, and that's what holds these on. Also, they have a like a 3M tape, 2-sided tape, that you peel off before you put it up in the window, and that helps hold them on too. We'll go ahead and start with the passenger side first, and we'll get it installed. Alright guys, so you will need to turn your ignition on in your truck. You will need to roll your window up and down to get these installed. So it's best just turn your key on or start your truck, whatever you prefer. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and peel this 2-sided tape off. I'll go ahead and take the right hand sticker off. Alright, so there's a little channel right here, and you'll see it right where your window goes, and this is where you just insert your rain guard right up in there. I want to try to push that tape to make it stick on that rubber piece, and it said to roll the window up and down 5 times to make sure that it's seated in there. So the back one is on, super simple. Just slide it up in the slot and roll your window up and down, and it's in there. Alright, next guys, we're going to install the passenger side. Make sure you grab the right, and there's a little white sticker here. basically what this says is make sure you install the front first and then you slide it up into the channel. Just make sure when you're doing your passenger or driver side that you put front first and then slide up. We'll go ahead and take the sticker off. Roll the window up. Alright guys, we got the passenger side on, and if you noticed I kind of put the front end first and then I kind of had to bend it right in here just to get the back up in the channel. There was a little more to it than the back side, of course, but still super simple, and I really like how these come all the way down to here. Kind of get you a better view of it. So they kind of got this little additional piece here that blocks the rain and wind too. So that's kind of how they're looking so far. Really liking the style on it, and let's go ahead and put the other side on and see how it all turns out. So once again, so it'd probably work better too if you actually done this from the outside, but I was trying to give you guys a better view of everything. So just make sure you put your front in first, give it a little bend, slide up to the channel, once you get it situated, then go ahead and roll your window up and down 5 times. Alright guys, with the back here, just make sure you take your tape off and slide it into the channel. Back super simple, just basically slides up in there, and then just make sure you roll your window up 5 times. Alright guys, so we got them all installed, and here's kind of a good video of what they look like after they're all done. And step back some, show you. I think it looks really good. Gives the truck a better, sleeker look, and really glad I went with the in channel instead of the ones that stick out on the outside, because well, for one, it's easier to install, and then I didn't want to put a bunch of tape and stuff up here because eventually when that stuff comes off, it looks bad or it could fall off. So really like the way these look. Another thing I like a lot about them is how the front comes down past this. Another view of the driver's side. Alright, so this here is the driver's side. So it looks super good too. So alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, and kind of let me know down below in the comment section what you think about these rain guards, if you think you should get them for your truck, or if you already got them and I kind of helped with the install a little bit. If you like the video guys, just make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Really helps me out to grow my channel and help bring content like this to you. But if you guys have any ideas for any other videos on the channel, hey, leave that down below and we'll see what we can do. But really appreciate you guys watching, taking the time out to support the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.